your subscribers, they'll tell how you can easily fix your problem. So if you receive an error on your Facebook, please confirm your identity. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, you need to first thing, just try to change your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data, and if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just try to use Wi-Fi. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and just turn it off. So just close Facebook and open it again, and if you still have this error Facebook message, so you just need to follow this form. So just confirm your identity, and if after you just submit this form, you couldn't use your Facebook account, so you just need to create new Facebook account. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.